In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to amend taxes that are already filed in TurboTax. If you've already submitted your tax return and later realize something needs to be corrected, don't worry. TurboTax gives you a way to find amendment guidance directly inside your account. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to go so you can locate the amendment option and review the instructions provided. Start by logging into your TurboTax account and opening the return you already filed. Once you're on the main screen, look for the search feature. This is the fastest way to get to the right section without having to browse through multiple menus. Click on search to activate the search field. Next, type the word amend into the search bar. Keep it simple and enter just that keyword. TurboTax will use your search term to pull up relevant help topics and actions related to changing a previously filed return. This is useful because it takes you directly toward the amendment tools instead of making you guess where they're located. After that, select the option that says Amend Tax Return. This is the link that points you to the area for handling corrections to an already filed return. Make sure you click the amendment-related result and not a different support topic, so you stay on the correct path. Once you're there, click on the link labeled How Do I Amend My Federal Tax Return? This opens the guidance you need for the federal amendment process. At this point, TurboTax will present information and directions to help you understand what comes next. This is an important part of the process because amending a return is different from simply editing a return before filing. From here, review the steps shown on the screen and follow them carefully. TurboTax lays out the amendment instructions for you, so take your time reading through each part before making any changes. This helps reduce mistakes and gives you a better understanding of what information may need to be updated. As a general tip, it's a good idea to have any corrected tax documents ready before you begin, and make sure your original return has been accepted before starting an amendment. Also, read each prompt closely so you know whether you're updating federal information, state information, or both. That's all it takes to locate the amendment guidance in TurboTax. Follow the on-screen steps from there, and you'll be on your way to correcting your filed return properly.